Moshi Moshi everyone. Today we'll be talking about 5 anti-corona tips for your business. Corona has hit the country hard and everyone is facing a lot of problems of how to deal your company or how to manage your company in this current situation. I'm giving you 5 simple tips that you can do to handle the current situation or to actually leverage from the current situation or make sure your business is ready for something like this in future cases. Tip number 1, use the time for planning. Financial year just got ended. We as businessmen get so busy on a day-to-day business operation on a general day that we don't get time for planning. Use this current time, plan out completely. You know you have complete cost attached, you had complete profitability, you can completely see everything about your business. You can see the best cost centers which are performing and the best profit centers. You can minimize your cost according to what you want. Plan your business completely, diagnose which product is performing good, which product is not performing good. This is the best time where you can spend enough time to diagnose each and every segment of your business, and you can plan properly about which to go forward with, right? So if you have, let's say, 5 products, you can diagnose all of them, see which is giving the best profitability, and kill the products which are not doing that much good, or don't employ that much resources in that kind of products which are not doing that good. So the second tip is gear up your marketing. Use the downtime for your business to create the best marketing materials. So once the corona is over, you're all ready to fire up. Get your website done, get your brochure updated, get your digital marketing planning strategy done. All these things will help you to plan for tomorrow. Your marketing capital products will be ready and you'll be able to go properly on your business, on your marketing plan. What happens here is don't use corona as a marketing tool. If you don't have anything solid to tell out there, don't just go for a communication based on that. But if you have really solid things to communicate, use your medium, use your channel to communicate and put content out there. So the third point is create a 1 month zero revenue plan, a contingency fund for your business. With corona coming into picture, this has not been very new to India. Before this, demonetization was there, GST was there, now corona. Every year there is something like this happening. So here I am asking you to assume that once in a year, in 1 month, you will not have revenue and create a contingency fund for something like this. This has been happening on a regular level to India. It's better we as businessmen plan for something like this and create a provision pre-hand where we assume for a month every year we will not receive any revenue and how to run the business accordingly. So we might have to create provisions like that. So a 1 month zero revenue plan is something on those lines. The fourth point is hire the best possible resources. I'm sure you want to scale up your business, and resource hiring is a major time taking task. With corona coming into picture, the whole world is shut down. All the resources are currently available. Currently you can completely send them tasks. The prospects are completely available to send back your task and get back to them on best possible level. You can hire the best possible resources now because people are generally relatively highly available now, and they are more okay to send you tasks if you are asking them to send tasks or follow a test, or you can have a detailed run of interviews to hire the best possible resource. So the fifth point is innovate and increase efficiency. I'm sure you have a lot of things that you want to solve on your business. You have always looked at your business as an insider. I would suggest you spend some time, look at your business as an outsider and see where all you can increase and improve your brand. So right from all the brand touch points, right from your packaging to the product distribution, can you come up with innovative measures to solve all these things? Then go inside on your business. Can you solve your business processes? Can you have better way of implementing that process? Can you have a better process in place? Innovatively, you can do a lot of things about your brand if you look at it from outside as an outsider. That is something that you can look at. And you can use this time completely to think through about your process and your brand experience and can elevate your brand experience as you have so much time to completely think about all these things. And last, let your stakeholders know that you care for them. Communicate it to all of them and let them know that you care for their health. Make sure you do whatever you can to help them. Currently, everyone needs to stay together and help each other. And that's the thing. You can let all the stakeholders know that you are available for them. Make sure we fight corona together. Thank you.